Hello and welcome you all. Today we will do two theorems from our chapter 3 algebra of matrices. So our first theorem is let A be a square matrix. Then we have to prove that A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix, and A dot A transpose and A transpose dot A are symmetric matrix. So let P is equal to A plus A transpose. Then on taking the transpose both side we get P transpose is equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose. Since we know the property of transpose that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So using it we get P transpose is equal to A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose, and we know that A transpose whole transpose is A. So P transpose is equal to A plus A transpose, and this is equal to P. So from here we get P transpose is equal to P, therefore P is a symmetric matrix. Now our second part, in which we have to prove that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. So here let Q is equal to A minus A transpose. Then on taking transpose both sides we get Q transpose is equal to A minus A transpose whole transpose. So using the identity again we get Q transpose is equal to A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose. So we know that A transpose whole transpose is A. So from here we get Q transpose is equal to A transpose minus A. So from here negative is taken as common, and in bracket we get A minus A transpose. So from here we get Q transpose is equal to minus of Q, which is the condition of skew symmetric. So Q is skew symmetric. In third, where we have to prove A dot A transpose and A transpose dot A are symmetric matrix. So let LHS equal to A dot A transpose. Now since we know the property of transpose where A dot B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose, using this property I can write A dot A transpose whole transpose as A transpose whole transpose dot A transpose. So A transpose whole transpose is A. So A dot A transpose. Therefore student, A dot A transpose is symmetric matrix. And similarly we can prove A transpose dot A is also symmetric. Now our second theorem, which is very important, is prove that any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Now let us suppose student that A is a square matrix. As we know from theorem 1 that P is equal to A plus A transpose and Q is equal to A minus A transpose. So when we take the sum of symmetrics and skew symmetric matrix, it is always equal to square matrix. So let A is equal to half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. Student, you can prove this by taking a square matrix also. Kindly prove it and see, you will get the same result. From here, as I have mentioned that P is equal to half A plus A transpose and Q is equal to half A minus A transpose. Here P is symmetric matrix and Q is skew symmetric matrix. So let P is equal to half A plus A transpose. Now taking transpose both sides we get P transpose is equal to half A plus A transpose whole transpose. Now since using the property of transpose we know that scalar, that is K into A whole transpose is equal to K dot A transpose. So using this property I can write P transpose is equal to half A plus A transpose whole transpose. So from here P transpose is equal to half A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. Since we know that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, using this I can write P transpose is equal to half A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose is equal to half A transpose, and we know that A transpose whole transpose is A. So from here we get P transpose equal to half A plus A transpose, which is equal to P. So from here we can say that P is symmetric matrix. Also Q is equal to half A minus A transpose. Now again taking transpose both sides we get Q transpose equal to half A minus A transpose whole transpose. So Q transpose is equal to half A minus A transpose whole transpose is equal to half A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose. So Q transpose equal to half A transpose minus A. So from here minus is taken as common and we get Q transpose equal to minus half and in bracket A minus A transpose, which is equal to minus of Q. So Q is skew symmetric matrix. So from here we have proved that a square matrix A is expressible as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric.